Welcome to another alteration and addition project delivered by DP Design Studio. The Sydney office was appointed to completely refresh this outdated and significantly run-down townhouse. The brief was to completely transform the entire property, including removing the old existing materials. As part of the owner's investment portfolio, there was an emphasis on a rapid turnaround with a significant increase in the rental income. Even with the client living interstate, DP Design Studio delivered a strategy within budget, on time, and as requested, has vastly increased the weekly rental return. The stunning brand new kitchen represents the ultimate in sleek minimalist design with its premium appliances, and upstairs the oak timber floors elevate that feeling of complete luxury. The old leaky bathroom is now a contemporary haven, and from the brand new fittings and fixtures throughout to the feature handrail on the stairs, this has all been achieved with DP Design Studio's signature of style and sophistication. Specialising in new builds and renovations, DP Design Studio assists clients in every aspect, from design and documentation to approval and project management. The goal of sustainable luxury living within your budget can be achieved beyond expectation. So for more information, please contact DP Design Studio today.